Okay, am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So, should we begin? We have plenty of participants now. We have, I think,
Ma'am,
all
we will study physics or
15.
chemistry
Okay.
today.
We'll be studying physics. We'll be continuing the chapter energy. But before moving on to energy, before coming on to the main parts of the chapter, just a little portion of chapter 2 is left, which was not completed back then. A very small topic, which is the difference between mass and weight. I think I have discussed it many times before, but not under the main heading or for study, or I've talked about this as a fact or something, but not as a topic for the class. So, what do you think mass and weight means? Are they the same thing or they are different?
Ma'am, mass and weight both are different from each other.
Okay, both are different from each other. That means that we can list the differences between the two. अगर ये दोनों
Yes.
अलग चीजें हैं तो हम उनके बारे में इजीली समझ सकते हैं, राइट?
Ma'am, voice is not coming, so may I type the answer?
Ma'am,
No,
may
I
I
can
say the answer?
wait. I can see everything that you people are speaking,
Ashutosh,
and
don't.
even if you want to answer through chat, it is fine. You can answer. I am able to read it on my screen. So yeah, you can go with writing your answers if you want.
Okay. Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
हाँ बताओ. Yes,
Yes, ma'am,
Mansi.
may I tell?
हाँ Mansi.
Yes, ma'am. It's mass is a quantity of matter contained in a body,
Very
and
good.
weight is a force which attracts the gravity, which the earth attracts the body.
Okay, very good. Was this answer by Astha?
Ma'am, Mansi.
Mansi. Okay. So yes, it is completely fine. What the main difference between the two words is mass and weight. That mass is basically the entire matter which is contained in a body. For suppose this is a pen, right? You
Yes,
all
ma'am.
can see this pen.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So this pen has many atoms inside it. Okay, so all the atoms, the weight of all the atoms combined will be equal to its mass. The mass of the pen will be equal to the total mass of all the atoms, irrespective of any force or any, any external factors. It will remain the same. The mass will remain the same. But if you take weight, I mean, if I keep this pen onto a tabletop, it will be exerting some force on the table. Okay? When you are sitting, when you are standing, when you are walking, all these motions, all these work that you do, you feel a push. You are applying a force towards the ground, downwards. Okay, this is why standing up becomes a punishment in the class, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Teacher punish करने के लिए क्या करती है? Stand up. That is it. Why? Because you are applying force. You will feel tired after a while because you are working, right? So the force which is exerted by a body on the surface of the earth is its weight, whereas the entire matter or in the entire matter contained in a body is its mass, right? अभी एक और डिफरेंस हमें दोनों में पता चल गया
Yes,
that
ma'am.
since it is composed of atoms and atoms का mass change नहीं होता, okay, so this quantity that is mass does not changes with time or place. Okay, अगर एक मास हमें पता चल गई कि मास कितनी है तो it will remain the same anywhere, either here or in London or in foreign or in out of the space, the mass will remain the same, right? But since force, that is weight, can be different, right? The force which is applied by you on the earth is because of the earth's gravitational force, right? So earth's gravitation keep on changing from places to places. It is least in around the equator, and it is maximum around the poles. If Earth is a ball, it will be maximum. The Earth's gravitational force will be maximum on the tips or on the poles, whereas it will be minimum around the equator. Okay. So how many differences have we covered so far?
2.
Only 2. Okay. Then comes the
Ma'am, mass
third main difference. हाँ हाँ आशुतोष.
Ma'am, mass spelling is mass and weight spelling is weight.
Ma'am, the SI unit of mass is kg
Yes,
and
exactly. I was coming on to that. Since both are measurable quantities, we can measure mass, we can measure weight. That means they must have some unit, right? Measurement cannot be complete without unit. बताया था ना in the first chapter? So
Yes.
mass has a unit and weight has a unit which are completely different. ठीक है? तो weight की unit क्या होगी? What should be the unit of weight according to
kilogram.
you?
Kilogram.
Weight. Weight is a
Ma'am,
force.
Newton.
Weight is a force.
Newton.
Newton, exactly. So the force, the unit of force is Newton, right? This means that the unit of weight will also be
Newton.
Newton. Very good. Beta, I can see that most of you are not switching on your videos. I know I get carried away while teaching, but you need to switch on your videos. I do look at you. हाँ, better.
Ma'am, मेरा कैमरा बहुत
Everyone,
गंदा
switch on your videos. हाँ?
है। मेरी शक्ल बहुत गंदी आती है पूरे कैमरे में।
Very fine.
जो है उसमें सारा
Everyone,
Ma'am,
switch
आंसर
on
तो
your
black and
videos.
white आ रही है.
Everyone. Okay, bus. Okay, fine. So, what we were discussing? Mass and
Ma'am.
weight. So, weight is a force. That means its unit will also be of force. Right? What is the unit of force? It is Newton.
Newton.
Okay. So, this means the unit of weight will also be Newton. Or there is another unit which is kilogram force. The force applied by kilogram, the unit of mass, right? So there are two units of weight. One is Newton and one is kilogram force, kgf, right? Similarly, okay. Similarly, the unit of, Beta, if you are not speaking, keep your mic on mute. Better. So, we all know that mass or matter can be weighed, can be, measured. In which unit? What is the unit of mass?
Kilogram.
kilogram.
Right. So, the difference between the two units is mass have kilogram, that is, it is measured in kilograms, whereas weight is measured in kilogram force or Newton, because it's a force. Thumbs up? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other point of difference that you think?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the way of measuring.
Yes, exactly. How do you measure? The device which we use to measure these two quantities also differ from each other. Okay? Have you seen a beam balance when you go to a shopkeeper or a sabzi wala, a sabzi
Yes,
vendor?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. They have a, what do you call in Hindi? Tarazu. Okay, it has two panes, right? Exactly, and they hold it like this. And in one plane they keep the weights, and on the other side they keep the vegetable equivalent to the weights. I want 1 kilograms of potatoes. So on one side they will be keeping 1 kilogram weight, right? And equivalent amount will be placed. Equivalent amount of potatoes will be placed on the other side. Asta? Speak up, I'm listening. Beta, I cannot see. You can type. You can type it on chat. I'm unable to understand you. I think the connection is not proper. ठीक है. So there is a difference of the instrument that we use to measure these quantities. The basic one is a beam balance. See, one side is actually being equivalent to the other side. That means there is no external force acting on the two. ठीक है. अब आप कहोगे कि gravitation is working on both of them still. But the point is that both the gravitation force is pulling both the planes with equal force. So this force is being nullified by this force. That means a beam balance can accurately measure, or not accurately, but it can measure mass. Okay? Thumbs up?
Yes.
Okay. Whereas the spring balance, if you have seen a spring balance, it has a spring, it has demarked scale, there are markings on the scale, and there is a hook at the end of the instrument. And whatever you want to weigh, you can hang it out on that hook, and you will get it of the substance or material, whatever. So how spring balance is measuring weight and not
Ma'am, how, ma'am? I think that we usually measure our weight on spring balance.
actually when we say weight, when we say in talking terms that what is your weight, we actually don't know that we are referring to mass. क्योंकि weight जब हम कहते हैं तो we are referring to the force. तो unit गड़बड़ होती है. We say let's suppose somebody says that I am 50 kgs, ठीक है, or 45 kgs. This means that 50 or 45 kgs is mass by unit, whereas the thing that we are talking about is actually weight, which should be kgf. But since most of the people don't know the difference between the two, it's not being very common among the people, which is why they generally speak about kilogram. Speak it
Ma'am,
as
we can say
kilogram.
Newton also, that
Huh?
the weight is 45 Newton.
Exactly. Yes, we can say. But Newton and kilogram force have a conversion factor. 1 kilometer is equals to
1,000 meter.
how many meters?
1000 meters.
1000 meters.
1,000 meters.
Similarly, there is a conversion factor of 10 between Newton and kilogram.
Ma'am is present.
Also
Who is
mass
present? Beta, I
Ma'am,
know
Vardhan.
who is present or not because I can see you all on my screen. First thing. And second, instead of chatting the chat box, you can pay attention in the class. Push. I saw what you wrote there. Okay. All 4 points here. Let's recap. Is the mass is matter contained in a body, whereas weight is the force with which a body is pulled towards the earth, okay, towards the surface of the earth. Second point of difference is the unit. Mass is measured in kilograms, whereas weight is measured in kilogram force or Newton, kgs or capital N. These are the symbols. Third point is that matter remains constant, ठीक है, whereas weight changes according to the gravitation of the area. It is maximum at poles, it is minimum at equator. Okay,
So, ma'am,
and the
it is
third,
not, ma'am, it is not required that if the weight of something like if the weight of this phone is 50 grams and but if I put this phone in other place, it will be the weight will be changed.
a little, yes, क्योंकि on earth, if you are talking about on the surface of earth, either on poles or on equator or anywhere else, the value of gravity, ठीक है, G does not change much. ठीक है, मिनिमम क्या होती है 9 और मैक्सिमम क्या होती है 10. 9 भी नहीं पहुंचती है, 9.2 9.3 रहती है. So there is not much difference between the force which is available on Earth. But if you talk about Moon or other planets or Mars or Jupiter, if you remember, we went to the science center. There was a machine which actually told your mass in different, your weight on different planets. Do you remember?
ma'am,
What will be your weight in Mars? What will you,
Yes, ma'am.
remember?
No, ma'am.
How come your weight?
मैम मैंने
Exactly.
की
And
थी मैम मैंने
yes,
उसको ट्राई
exactly.
किया था.
Yes. So the weight which is different on the other planets is just because all these other planets have a different gravitational force. Okay. And since weight is what? Weight is a force. ठीक है? तो यही force, since the gravitational force is different, the value of gravity is different. This because of this, the value of weight also differs from different planets. Not so much on the surface of the Earth, but yes, different planets. You'll be 6 times lighter on Moon. 6 times lighter on Moon. Let's suppose if you have a weight of 60 kgs. Okay, so you will be weighing only 10 kgs on Moon. Okay.
Ma'am, and if
Have
it
you
will
got?
be
Ma'am, because of gravitational force.
Yes, exactly. Because of gravitational force.
Okay, ma'am.
The gravity of Moon is 1/6 of the Earth. तो जो चीज यहाँ पे 60 किलोग्राम फोर्स की है या 60 न्यूटन की है, it will be 10 न्यूटन और 10 किलोग्राम फोर्स on Moon.
Moon.
Clear? Thumbs up, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Clear, everyone? बेटा फटाफट बोलो so that I can
Yes,
finish
ma'am.
this.
Ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think you people are a little tired since you are having classes since morning. Is it so?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम रात की क्लास
मैम पहले कम कर दोगे
रात में क्या हो गया? What
रात की
happened?
क्लासेस होनी चाहिए
रात
कान
में
दर्द हो गया।
अच्छा, okay,
और मैम
fine.
इतना बड़ा हेडफोन लगा रखा है देखिए
Ma'am, ये
This
बहुत
I
दर्द करता है.
know. I know.
सही बोला
Okay,
मैम।
we cannot do anything about it. So let's continue. Okay.
Okay.
So chapter 2 is now completely finished. Chapter 3, which is chemistry, we discussed a few points in energy. Energy chapter, first was force, then was work, then was energy, then was types of energy. So we have discussed these 4 points in the chapter energy. Okay. Now look around you, look around the area which you are sitting, and tell me the devices which are working or which have mechanical energy, which you think have mechanical energy.
Ma'am.
fan.
Fan, okay, very good. Fan.
और
Ma'am,
मैम
my
एयर
PC.
कंडीशनर.
AC, okay, AC has a fan inside it.
Ma'am, my PC. Computer.
मैम लाइट
Computer, light,
Speakers.
okay,
Laptop.
speakers,
मैम
very good.
कंप्यूटर मोबाइल
Ma'am, headphones.
Okay. I think you have got the point. Mechanical energy is what? Mechanical energy is the energy of any body, which is because of its state of rest or on motion. Okay? For example, I also have mechanical energy. You people also have mechanical energy. Do you know this? Although we are not machines, but still we will have a mechanical energy. Okay? So everything which is kept around you has some mechanical energy, because either that something is in the state of rest or that something is in a state of motion, right? So whenever something is in a state of rest or on motion, it possesses the energy which is named as, speak up, which is named as
Mechanical energy.
Mechanical energy.
mechanical energy. Okay, very good.
मैम आपको किसी ने म्यूट कर दिया है.
मैम मैंने
Beta,
नहीं किया.
it's okay. I muted myself. Do you people have your books?
Ma'am, it's
Yes,
written.
ma'am.
It is the muted Kriti Rastogi.
No, no, no. You just read the portion. Read the portion where there is mechanical energy. The portion
Ma'am,
where
chapter
mechanical energy. Chapter number
The
3,
energy.
page number 37 of your books, and read the paragraph with mechanical energy heading. We
Ma'am,
will
may
discuss
I?
about all the things. Wait. And then we will discuss about all the things that we can see that work on mechanical energy. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I read?
Did you read?
No, ma'am, reading. Ma'am,
Okay,
reading.
read. Take your time.
reading.
Okay, fine.
मैम माइक बंद करके रीड कर रही है.
मैम, मुझे लगा माइक बंद कर दी. मैम,
Done?
मानसी वरदान ने तुमको म्यूट कर दिया है.
Mansi are muted.
It's okay. She can unmute herself if she wants.
Vardhan.
Done? Beta, speak up.
Ma'am, Vardhan is
Reading?
muting everyone.
Vardhan, what are you doing, beta?
Ma'am, this time I have not muted anyone. My name is not come here.
Acha. Okay.
मैम अतुल
so-
अग्रवाल वरदान है.
It might be
keep on fighting like this. Very good.
Ma'am, we have done this experiment. We have done this experiment
Right.
also.
This is why I asked you to read the paragraph so that you know what experiment you have done. I know you people have done wonderful experiments. You have sent the video, and this energy change from one form to another is very commonly seen at your homes also.
Yes,
All the
ma'am.
devices that you're working with, your TV, your AC, your fan, even your movement, your walking, cooking of food, driving a car, everything that you see around yourself is having one form or the one form of energy or the other, and it is continuously being converted into other forms, right? So now you people tell me that now you know what is mechanical energy and how these all the substance possess mechanical energy. Now
Ma'am, may I
mechanical
add?
energy. Wait. Mechanical energy is of two types. First is potential. Second is kinetic. Okay. Is there anyone who can tell me the literal meaning of potential? Potential का English में मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by potential?
Ma'am, resting in one place.
I'm not asking any scientific language or scientific term or scientific definition of it. I
Ma'am?
want to know कि English में potential का क्या मतलब होता है? What do you mean by potential in English?
Ma'am,
In
I think
literal sense.
Being polite and on the line. And
I'm
on
having
the
a
time.
capacity of
Beta, one by one, I'm unable to hear anyone.
I'm having or showing the
Having or showing the capacity.
capacity of develop into something in the future.
Okay.
And ma'am, in Hindi,
मतलब
क्षमता.
Oh, exactly. What potential do you have? Means what capabilities do you have? Okay. So everything around you is having some potential to do something, to perform some work. Okay. So the energy which is being used or which a particle or a substance possesses by the virtue of its position. अभी रुका हुआ है. Let's see that I am sitting here and I am possessing energy. That means I have the capability or I have the capacity to do work which I will do later. ठीक है. तो रेस्ट की वजह से मेरे पास जितनी एनर्जी डेवलप हो रही है या जितनी एनर्जी रिस्टोर हो रही है, दैट इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. Again, the definition is whenever the potential energy is the energy which a body possesses by virtue of its position. ठीक है. I am sitting right now, I am possessing potential energy. That means when I will move, when I will work, my potential will come out in the form of work. समझ आया? What do you mean by potential energy? What do you mean by potential? कैसे relate किया? समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
सबको clear है? This thing is very important and it will be there with you people till class 10th. Okay? So it is very important for you to understand this right now. That what is potential? What is potential
मैम बस करिए.
energy? बस करें.
No,
यस
ma'am.
मैम बहुत हो गया
No,
है.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
पोटेंशियल के लिए बस हो गया. अब काइनेटिक पे आते हैं.
नो मैम.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
बस नहीं होगा अभी. अब आई हैव टाइम. आई स्टिल हैव टाइम एंड आई विल कंप्लीट इन माय टाइम. ओके. तो पोटेंशियल समझ में आ गया. अभी मैं बैठी हूँ. आई हैव पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. आई हैव कैपेसिटी और एबिलिटी टू डू वर्क लेटर. अब नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग एंड आई एम परफॉर्मिंग वर्क और आई एम मूविंग समवेयर. अच्छा, there is a motorcycle by the name Kinetic. Is there a motorbike with the name Kinetic? Honda Kinetic or something? What is the name?
Yes. Yes,
Does
ma'am.
anyone
Honda
know?
Kinetic.
हाँ,
I know.
बताओ. हाँ,
Ma'am,
What is the
Vardhan
name
is
of the
new to
bike?
everyone.
Honda Kinetic.
Honda Kinetic. Is this a bike?
Yes.
Okay. So why do you think the person
Ma'am, it is not
who
a
is
bike.
naming? अरे whatever bike it
Ma'am,
is,
it is
does it have
scooty.
a word? हाँ, kinetic scooty. Okay. So why do you think the namer or the person who has named this bike as kinetic? What do you mean by kinetic? अभी potential का मतलब हम लोगों ने समझा था. We understood that what is potential. Potential is the ability or capacity to do work. What do you mean by kinetic?
Ma'am, moving motion.
Something is in motion. So whenever we are in motion, we say we have kinetic energy. So kinetic का literal meaning is
Moving, the thing is in motion.
motion. Kinetic means motion. Okay?
Ma'am, it means relating to or resulting from motion.
Okay, fine. Relating to or resulting from motion. So main word क्या है? Motion. What is the main word here with kinetic? Motion. So whenever any body is in motion, it will possess kinetic energy. And whenever any body is in rest, it will possess
Potential energy.
potential energy.
Potential.
Very good. Acha, have you seen archery classes being done in our school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done? Have you tried archery? I have.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
new student will be not doing like Ashutosh, Atul.
Okay. Okay. So, what if you have done it anywhere else apart from school classes? What happens in archery is that we have to pull our what do you call it, arrow
Okay.
backwards, and then when we release the arrow hits the
Board.
target. Right? This happens. Okay.
मैम गेम में आर्चरी
when-
करते हैं फोन में
हाँ, गेम में ही आर्चरी करते हैं, इसीलिए मुझे दिक्कत हो
गेम
रही है
में
बताने
पबजी
में।
में
Okay, ठीक है, whatever, wherever you have done this.
Potential energy, and when the arrow,
बोलो।
मैम जब arrow छूटता है मैम उसको वो kinetic energy.
हाँ, now speak the entire thing in English again.
Ma'am, when the arrow was in
नहीं, Mansi wait, Vardhan will speak this.
Ma'am, when the arrow is stretched on the bow, it is potential energy, and when
And when it is released,
it is kinetic energy.
very good. See, it is so simple to communicate in English, but you people don't. People don't even try.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
हाँ, बताओ. Now you people tell me the examples where you have noticed potential energy changing into kinetic or kinetic energy changing into
Ma'am, notice in gun.
ma'am, for more simple.
okay, gun, yes, right.
Gun.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
because when the bullet is in the gun, it is in potential energy. When we shoot, then it becomes kinetic energy.
Very good example. What else?
Ma'am,
Anybody else?
the most common example is running.
For example is, ma'am,
Most common example is
Running. Like when we are standing,
running.
we are,
When we are standing, we are having potential energy. When we run, potential changes to kinetic energy. Very good.
Ma'am, pedaling bicycle. Ma'am, spring.
Spring, okay. Spring, compressed spring has
Ma'am.
potential to jump up, and when it is released, it is converted into kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
So what happens
William.
if I drop this? This is a earring. If I drop this, what will happen?
Ma'am, first
It
it
has,
Potential
right
energy.
now it has
Ma'am, when
potential to drop. Right now, here on the top, it has potential to drop. And now when I have released, this potential change to kinetic energy.
kinetic
Yes.
energy. And this means that when the fruit falls from the tree, when the fruit is hanging, it's the potential energy. When it falls, it becomes in kinetic energy.
Very good, very good. Think about more examples like this. It is all around you.
Ma'am.
It is all around you all the time.
Ma'am, car. Ma'am,
Car,
when
you
it
are
is-
driving a car. When it is in the
Ma'am.
house, inside the house, in the standing position, in the, with zero
Bike.
accelerator involved, it has potential. It has potential to go. And when you start the car and you move in the car, it becomes kinetic energy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
ma'am,
Maybe in bicycle.
Okay, what else?
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Okay, bicycle. What else?
moving fan.
Okay.
Ma'am, avalanche. Ma'am, avalanche.
Huh? Avalanche.
Mobile phone.
Ma'am, snow के पास potential है कि वो गिरने.
Avalanche. You are talking about avalanche.
Yes, ma'am.
Landslide. Yes,
Yes.
okay. It has the potential when it is on the top of the mountain. It has potential energy, and when it falls down, it has
Kinetic
It has
energy.
kinetic energy. You do skates in a school. You have done skates in a school. It also shows kinetic energy.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have seen skateboarding people who skateboard on a
Yes, ma'am.
in a form of a circle, half circle hemisphere, they are standing on a platform, they come to the circle, half circle, and then they reach the other platform. That is also a case of potential changing to kinetic and kinetic changing into potential.
Ma'am,
You have
I
seen
have
a
a question.
pendulum.
And
Wait,
walking track.
you have seen a pendulum going from one
One.
direction to another. This is
Yes.
also an example of potential converting into kinetic and vice versa. Kinetic to potential.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
one
have
more.
given the
Questions?
example of. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may I
एक और
ask?
ma'am.
हाँ, example बताओ.
Ma'am, we take the ball and ma'am put small ball up of the basketball. Ma'am, then ma'am leave it. Ma'am, then the ball hit to ground. Ma'am, the Costco ball. Ma'am, very high. Ma'am, jump very high.
Okay,
Ma'am, because
fine.
all the force of the ball am converted to the small ball. That's why.
Okay, what he's trying to say is that whenever we are playing basketball, we are throwing the ball through the loop. From when it is on the top of the loop, it has potential, and when it drops down from the loop, it converts into kinetic. This happens with almost all the games. Either badminton, tennis, table tennis, football. All these games show the conversion of potential to kinetic energy.
To kinetic energy.
Right. So I think that all of you have understood the concept of energy, mechanical energy, its two forms and its conversion. Okay?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Okay. Mansi, what's your question?
Ma'am, like I'm sitting in one position. I have a
Right.
potential to move, but I am moving just my hand. So my body is said to be in potential energy or kinetic.
Your body will have potential energy, but your hand, since your hand is in motion right now, right? Like this. That
Yes,
means
ma'am.
your body's potential energy is being converted into kinetic through your hand. Okay? But we don't say that your body has kinetic energy because your body is in a state of rest. Okay? I think I have answered the question. Any doubt in this?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes? Who says yes? No questions
Yes,
as of
yes.
now?
Ma'am,
No,
I
ma'am.
want to ask something.
Kuchu?
Ma'am, ma'am, in this world, ma'am, anything that is in that ma'am, ma'am, वो सारी
एक मिनट वरदान वेट यश म्यूट योर माइक यश म्यूट योर माइक बेटा हाँ yes Vardhan now ask your question.
Ma'am, I want to ask that everything in this world that it is that is in rest is in potential energy.
Yes, everything that is in a state of rest possess potential energy, and when it moves, the same potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Meanwhile, we can say that all these things which are in a state of rest possess potential energy, but the value of potential energy changes. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि हर एक उसके पास 100 जूल की एनर्जी ही होगी, सबकी एनर्जी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी 100 ही होगी, ऐसा नहीं कह सकते. We can't say this. Every body which has potential energy, the value will be different because of the two main factors which affect the magnitude energy. अभी इस पे आएंगे. Okay? So I think this much discussion is very fruitful since you have understood what is potential energy, what is kinetic energy, how it is converted from one form to another. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छे से?
Ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, I have a question.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Ask your question.
there is a difference between rest and potential energy.
बेटा रेस्ट इज अ स्टेट, ठीक है, और इस स्टेट पे जो एनर्जी डिपेंड करती है दैट इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. Potential energy is energy, and a state of rest being in one place is known as rest. There is no matlab they are not the same things. They are completely different things depending on each other. The value of potential energy will be high if the particle is in a state of rest, and the value becomes low if the body is in motion condition, moving condition. Okay, clear? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so just one thing and then we'll end the class. A question for you people to think about: how potential and kinetic energy depend on different factors. There are 2-3 factors on which kinetic and potential energy depend upon. It is
Ma'am, may I
clearly
have-
given. Wait. It is clearly given in your books, but I don't want you people to read it from the books. I want you to think about it. Okay? Think about a situation where something is in rest and how that energy, how the energy that the particle possesses, that the substance possesses, is being affected by what all factors. Okay? Now, I can help you with a simple experiment. You can take a ball and you can throw the ball from certain different heights. एक बार नीचे रखना, एक बार उसको थोड़ा सा लेवल ऊपर कर देना, एक बार बिल्कुल ऊपर से बॉल को ड्रॉप करना, and then think about the difference, from all these three conditions.
Experiment.
हाँ. Okay, got it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Now perform this experiment and we will discuss it tomorrow, that how the position of ball changes the amount of energy it possesses. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else?
ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, okay, question. Ask away.
Ma'am, I was solving tomorrow.
You were solving which question?
Ma'am, I was just doing the homework. I was thinking about which worksheet are you going to give. So, ma'am, I was studying in energy and motion. So, ma'am, I was confused in motion that rest and motion are relative. And then if rest and motion are relative, then the potential energy is also relative to it or not.
Exactly. It is relative. There is a law of conservation of energy that states that energy can neither be created nor can it be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another. So whenever state and rest and motion, since they are relative terms, this means that potential and kinetic are also being converted from one form to another on a continuous basis. Okay, your energy conversion keeps on happening even when you don't even realize that it's happening around you. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And any other
Means when the
questions?
bus is
Huh? Aska?
ma'am means if yes ma'am means if the bus is standing, it's not moving, it's standing, then it is on the rest and also at that same time at potential energy.
Right.
And when the bus moves at the same time, it is on the motion and also on the kinetic energy.
It possesses kinetic energy. Motion करती है और
Yes, ma'am, it possesses
energy,
at the same
हाँ,
time when
possess
it is in the
करता है.
motion, it is
और पता है देखो होता क्या है दैट एट अ मोमेंट व्हेन अ बॉडी चेंजेस इट्स स्टेट फ्रॉम रेस्ट टू मोशन, तो रेस्ट में काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा है और मोशन में सॉरी रेस्ट में पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ज्यादा है और मोशन में काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा है. So the transition becomes really smooth from potential to kinetic. धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे मोशन बढ़ता है, मोशन तेज होता है, स्पीड बढ़ती है, वैसे वैसे काइनेटिक पोटेंशियल धीरे धीरे काइनेटिक में चेंज होता रहता है. And you missed a very good example which is happening right now. I don't think if it is raining or not, but it was raining in the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is also an example of kinetic and potential energy. Okay, the raindrops
How?
are high up in the sky and they are falling from that distance onto the earth, right? And the drop possesses potential energy when it is high up in the sky, and as soon as it hits the ground, the drop converts its potential energy to kinetic energy.
Yes, ma'am. And this same experiment, ma'am, but you only explain the thing that you asked for us to observe.
Yes. So you think about all the different, phenomena or processes that you see around yourself, where this conversion is happening, where this conversion is very prominently seen. Okay. And
Okay,
if
ma'am.
you, one more thing, since it has energy, it can, hurt you also. When the raindrops are in a very high
How can
speed,
the energy hurt us?
अब वही मैं बता रही हूँ, सुनो तो. See, when you go out in the rain and the rain showers are very light, you feel good. Okay? It is very nice. It feels nice on your skin or on your face. But when this raindrops fall from a very high distance with a very high speed, what happens? आपको those drops actually hurt you. वो पानी की बूंदें आपके फेस पर चुभती हैं. It actually poses a very big threat. इसीलिए कहते हैं स्नोफॉल में या हेल स्टॉर्म में बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Why? Because hailstorms are actually stones of ice. Ice के बड़े बड़े they are form of a stone. And when they fall from such great distance with such high speed, they have very much energy, and that energy can hurt you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो आज के लिए इतना ही बहुत हो गया. ठीक है, चलो. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, what's today's homework? Ma'am, today sorry, I have not sent the
Today's
worksheet.
homework is only this much, that you have to think about it, and worksheet